The silver medal goes to Manoj Kami from Sikkim, clocked at a timing of 4 minutes, 0.591 seconds. And the gold medal is backed by Samla Suba from Meghalaya, clocked at a timing of 4 minutes, 5.80 seconds. These medal winners, you are requested to stand behind the victory dais. Wallbuster Ramsey, Rinchen Lepcha and Munabi Singha. The silver medal is backed by Wallbuster Ramsey from Meghalaya, who clocked at a timing of 33 minutes, 12.16 seconds. And the gold medal goes to Munabi Singha from Manipur, who clocked at a timing of 32 minutes, 48.43 seconds. Well, ladies and gentlemen, can we support them with a round of applause, please? As a token of a good gesture, I will request finally to kindly present the memento to Donbok Dkhar, the president of the Hito. Thank you very much, Dkhar, and at the same time to Patrick Lamare. And congratulations to all the winners.